To send a DM to new Instagram followers automatically, you can create a free ManyChat account. I've included a link in the description of the video below. From the homepage, you want to go ahead and click on Settings. Then you want to click on Instagram. Then you want to click Connect. Then you want to click Connect via Meta. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Instagram account. Once you get to the screen, you want to click Continue. You want to click Save. And then your Instagram account will be connected. You want to go ahead and click Let's Start. Next, you want to click on Automation. Here you want to click on New Automation. And you can start with this template that says, Say hi to new followers. This will bring you into the automation configuration screen. Now you can see here at the top the triggers when someone new follows you after a minute. And you can see here you have two options. The first option is that you can send them an opening DM, which will include a button for them to click. Now, an opening DM with a button is intended to have them confirm that they want to engage with you. Now, if you want to do this, you can simply place your cursor in this input box and you can go ahead and put any message that you would like. And you can even update the button text here. So I'll go ahead and change this text. Now you can see here I've entered the text that says, sure, share the link to your channel. And what's really cool about ManyChat is that it will also display what the user will actually see on the right-hand side of your screen here. Now, if you don't want to send an opening DM, you can simply toggle this off and you can then input your message here. And if you want to add a link to the message, you can click this button. You can enter a button label and then you can go ahead and put your link in here. Now I've updated these two fields. I'll go ahead and click Save. And you can see here in the preview, my message will be displayed with the button that I configured. Now you'll also notice that if you have access to the Pro plan, you have some additional options like asking them for their email and automatically sending follow-up messages if they don't click your link. Now, once you're ready to publish this automation, you want to go ahead and click Go Live. And you can see here that the automation is now live. All right, now I've gone ahead and switched to Instagram and I will go ahead and follow the account that we set up the automation for. I'll go ahead and click follow. And you can see here that I have received a new message. I'll go ahead and click into my messages. You can see here the message from the account on which we set up our automation. And you can see here the message with the button that we programmed. So that's it. In this video, I showed you how you can automatically send a DM to new Instagram followers using ManyChat. Remember, you can sign up for a free ManyChat account. I've included a link in the description of the video below. And if you found this helpful, give it a like. And while you're here, check out one of these other ManyChat tutorials. I think you might find them useful.